All right, it's one of the largest medical groups in Southern Nevada, and they recently had a little shift in leadership. So what does that mean for us? Here to explain is the new market president of Healthcare Partners Medical Group, Mark Price. Hello.
Hi.
All right, so let's talk again a little bit about how you chose the group that you're with now.
Yeah, Courtney, one thing that's driven me throughout my career in healthcare is a desire to provide care that's of the highest quality possible and also affordable to patients. It's something that I intensely believe in, and the reason I joined Healthcare Partners is because Healthcare Partners is a leader not just locally but nationally in both the highest possible quality care and affordability for patients as well. So I'm proud to be here.
Well, those are some of the challenges I think facing a lot of Americans, you know, the challenges in healthcare here. Quality of care, affordability of services, access to care too. You touched on the first two. Let's talk a little bit more about access to care.
Yeah, absolutely. And those are challenges all over the country and certainly here in Las Vegas as well. And our organization is working very hard to be part of the solution to all of those problems. And when you look at it, access to care, a lot of different things that we're doing. We're recruiting more providers, more care teams into our local community here to make sure that we're taking care of as many patients as we can. And also looking at new and innovative ways to reach out and interact with our patients to make sure that we're providing access in the way that our patients want. And then on the other two, when you look at quality, so there's a lot of things we're doing there. It starts with having the best care teams we can, so the most talented care providers.
Yes.
Then it's about coordination of care throughout all spectrums of care delivery. And then it's about preventative care. So we really focus on how do we keep our patients healthy and do as much as we can with them before they get sick rather than waiting until they get sick.
And that's important, I think, with senior citizens especially, because, you know, once they get sick, it's a little bit harder to bounce back. And I know that you guys are working really hard with senior citizens and also Medicare Advantage patients, too.
Yeah, that's absolutely right. And when you look at the seniors, you look at the Medicare Advantage patients, these are patients that for the most part are 65 years old and older. We do amazing work with them, and one metric I look at every single day is how many of our patients got sick and needed to go to the hospital. I look at that every single day, those numbers. And the work that we do, our patients end up going to the hospital 28% less often on average than national Medicare.
Because you're focused on preventative care. That's awesome. All right. Well, speaking of focus, what are we focusing on for 2018 and with this shift in leadership and you at the helm?
Yeah, absolutely. So we have 4 focus areas that we talk about all the time. So it's teammates, it's patients, it's quality, and it's affordability.
Okay.
So the last two I've talked about quality and affordability and what we're doing there. Teammates, that's foundational to everything that we do. We want this to be the most desirable place to work for healthcare professionals in Southern Nevada. And a huge part of my job is creating a special place where we have teammates that are engaged, feel well supported, and the most talented.
Teammates are providers, right?
Teammates are providers, and everybody that works for our organization. You know, we really firmly believe that if we've got talented people that are engaged and well supported, we're going to deliver great care.
And I've only got like 10 seconds left here, but you're very secretive about this new clinic concept. What can you tell me in just a couple sentences? Yeah,
so we have something exciting we're going to announce July 1st, around or about then, and a new clinic concept. We think it's going to be transformational for the community, unprecedented levels of access, of support, resources for our patients. Can't say too much, but look for a big announcement in July.
We will look out for that. Thank you so much for joining us. I appreciate it. And if you'd like to learn more about Healthcare Partners Medical Group, you can go to hcpnv.com.